This dude is in a wheelchair, y'all. And this is his hustle. Cleaning up the trash every morning out here. What made you do this, man?
Just being bored and so used to working, but I can't do physical work like I used to do, but I can do little things to help out.
So you clean this place up every morning?
Just about whenever she needs.
Okay, that's what's up, man.
Yeah.
All right, man, that's all. You know what I'm saying? Just respect to you, man.
Yeah.
Keep doing what you're doing,
I
man.
used to do roofing work.
Huh?
I used to do roofing work.
Oh, roofing?
Yeah, I used to do roofing work.
Okay.
28 years.
And what happened?
I messed my hips messed up.
Naturally or accident?
Naturally. You know, I wore my body out.
Okay, from working hard.
Working hard, yes.
Damn.
28 years, 38 years, 28.
28 years.
Yes, 28 years.
Roofing?
Roofing, concrete, and building houses.
So is the government helping you a little bit?
I get some money from them.
Okay.
And I was in the military for 3 years.
An army or?
Yeah, Army.
How many years?
3.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You been to any wars?
No, none of that. I missed that.
All right.
All right, then.
All right, man. Be easy, man. What's your name, man?
They call me Andre.
Andre?
Yes, sir.
Shout outs to you, Andre. Respect, man.
All right, then.
All right. My name is Roz, man.
All right, Roz.
All right. See that, guys? People crying, but they're broke. Stay broke. If you're broke, stay broke, motherfuckers.